Hi, good evening everyone. So today we'll look at how to create a pivot table. We have data of repeated names and different dates or repeated dates if possible. So we want to analyze it to a concrete sheet, a summarized. That is what pivot table is all about. So we can go to recommended pivot table where it has already summarized all of them completely without dragging and dropping. That is another method of building a pivot table, or you can do it automatically. But here I want to do drag and drop. So let's go to pivot chart and table. When you click there, it will ask you if you want a new sheet or existing sheet. Okay, so let's go look at the place I'm talking about. Whether you want a new, so let's go to a new sheet. Click to a new sheet and say okay. It's automatically recommended that we go to a new sheet. Now this new sheet, then we'll build our pivot table one after the other. Here where they are supposed to show us the names of beer and the values. The values is where the money is supposed to be, or the number, where the legend are the names. Let's say the beer names. So but it's not showing us where to drag and drop here. I don't know, maybe it's because my system have issue, but I'll try and finish the repair, then repeat this video for the purpose of dragging and dropping. So now we can only go to recommended pivot table to check. Now look at where they have already summarized this data for us in terms of charts. There's a column chart here, and beside it is a table. Beside it is a table here. They've summarized that beer for us. Where there is a start there, that start there is a mistake. It's supposed to be a star. So we'll go and correct it so that it will give us a concrete sales of the grand total. If you check, if you see that total is still the same thing with the beginning, do you understand? So we click on the place we want to chart. If you look at the value, you see that it's the same thing with that summarized pivot table. So let's look at the recommended pivot tables here. Look at it. They've summarized it for us. Now the start is no more there but star, and the values are the same. So if you want it in a new sheet, it will show us in a new sheet. But look at it now. It has summarized all those long lists for us. That is the essence of a pivot table. Okay, that is the essence of a pivot table. So there are no values here to drag and drop. Rather, sum of sales are shown beer type. Look at it. Our rows are beer type and sum of sales. That is all it entails. Okay. So the sum of sales are the monetary aspects. Look at it here. The rows are the beer type and sum of sales are the value. And look at where it is represented in a column chart. So when you must have finished watching, you can try to create a summarized, auto-summarized pivot table. Okay.